Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a Samsung water dispenser. And I have an old Samsung right here. It's about 10 years old already. This is a Samsung French door. Got two doors right here, French door. Model number is the RF261BEAEC/AA. So yeah, it's an older model. It's almost 10 years old already. And this part right here, I replaced this. This is the second time already. This is only bad Samsung. You know, they designed this very poorly. Look at that. This model have the water dispenser inside the refrigerator, which is you know, you have to open in and out all the time. It costs a lot. So every time you open refrigerators, you know, you waste a lot of energy. So bad design right here. The newer model is the water dispenser is outside. This part often break a lot. So it made out of plastic right there. So you see the plastic inside right there. It's see, you touch this part right here, the water coming out, and the part that go over here where you push the button right here, usually you break all the time. They don't last very long. Just replaced one 3-4 years ago. So this, yeah, maybe 3.5, 4 years ago. They keep breaking because it's plastic, poorly designed. Well, in order, it's simple to replace this. Called the One Touch Pure water dispenser. So what you have to do is have to remove the tray so you have more space to work with. Remove this tray. Just take just take a knife right here. I need thin blade so you can get access to here, and just take a screwdriver. Just pop it out. See? That's all it is. Just get a screwdriver here. Alright, just pop it out right there. Just make sure that see the water line right here. See the water line right here? Go through that hole and then just clip it back in, basically. And before you do that, make sure you clean a little bit inside here. See, this is the old part. This is a new part. Make sure when you buy it, there's the same measurement. Make sure when you this is the new part right here. See, you got a little bit of, see this the one when you push the button right here. See the button? When you push it, and this is kind of push, you know, push that little piece of plastic right there to get the water. So this is the old part. This is the new part. Yeah, make sure when you buy this, make sure it's the same size. See, take the measurement of your thing right here. This is not the, yeah, so make sure it's the same size, because if it doesn't, not the same size, not gonna fit in there. Let's clean it up a little bit. So you can see it's not that hard to do. Just take a screwdriver, kind of pop it out, and when you do this, just clean it out. And when you put it back in, this is the water line right there, and this is the piece right here. And see this piece right here? See this piece right here? See, when you push it, the water coming out, and I guess this piece has something to do with it. When you push it, it hit that button right here to push it down so the water come out. See? So all I need to do is just pop it back. It's just, yeah. So when you install it back, just make sure that the water line right here go into this hole right there. See this hole? Before you pop it in. So the water line go through there. See, see, it's working. I just pop it in place. All right, now push it. See water coming out now? That's it is. See, it's simple to replace. So next time, this is called the Samsung One Touch Pure Water Dispenser right here. So it's made out of plastic and it's usually break all the time. So every few years or so you might need to replace one. But how it's dependent on how often you know, how many people in your family using this, because you've constantly if you're constantly you know, pushing the button to get the water, it's gonna break sooner than, you know, than later. So but it's easy to replace. It costs about 24 bucks. This is not a Samsung genuine you know, water dispenser. It's just a generic one, but it would do the job. If you want the genuine Samsung part, that's costs a little more, about $4 or $5 more. I mean, yeah, so about $28. This is about 24 bucks. So you save a few bucks, but it does do the same purpose. And the refrigerator model for this one is, like I said, that's RF261BEAEC -AA. You might not find this you know, but as long as you can find the one that's compatible with the RF261, that and then make sure that you do the measurement right here. Make sure it's the same size, because when you order Amazon, they give you the dimension right here. So make sure the dimensions are the same before you buy it. So otherwise it's simple to do. So I hope you learned something. This is how to replace a Samsung One Touch Pure Water dispenser. So this is how you do it. It's easy to do, take a few minutes. Just need a screwdriver. So thank you very much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.